At Dick Hannah Autobody, we know that accidents happen to the best of us. That's why our expert team of technicians, supported by state-of-the-art training and technology, is here to help. Our modern 80,000 square foot facility was designed from the ground up with cutting-edge equipment to ensure every repair is done quickly, efficiently, and done right the first time. From minor dings to major repairs, towing to rentals, we have you covered, all under one roof. With factory certifications on over 20 brands, including Tesla, we're ready to repair your vehicle with precision and care. And our eco-friendly water-based paint systems add an extra layer of protection for both your vehicle and the environment. Our insurance experts even handle the back and forth with your provider, making the process as stress-free as possible. It's no wonder we've been trusted for over 75 years to keep drivers moving. Reach out today and let us help you get back on the road.